Nice.
What these do you get involved?
With deals? Pretty much everything. You mean work-wise?
Yeah.
It all depends.
I think group that you that's the OBL.
This might be a rough one. That's okay though. We'll work it out. We'll see.
Software, settings, internet, but like probably half.
See that is. It's okay though. We'll see. Can't get.
You know what I could have done? I had multiple, but I should have dropped.
No, it's okay.
You didn't understand the save?
We'll see.
Okay.
Doesn't mean necessarily it's bad immediately. I was just trying to kind of get to see the cork.
And they must have had that before.
It's okay. We'll clean it up. Believe me, I've had some really disastrous corks, and the wines have just been absolutely incredible.
Okay.
So don't think that we're lost yet. Let's keep good hopes. Some of my favorites.
How's your game? It's good. I enjoyed just being out there and kind of playing. The basic group is one of the individual. And anyone else from here, they could have also played.
You already crushed it all the way through.
You're going to take it three. It's good. But then I went home. I totally figured it.
Good job. I was really worried.
Me too. Me too. Look at me. I'm like, yeah, hey, look, this is why I love doing this. You never know what you're gonna get. The cork is saturated. That's okay, but we got it out entirely too. My heart stopped beating for a second. That's what I like, though. I mean, the cork is beautiful.